back to my channel. This is Teacher Rian. And now let's keep going. Let us learn simple trick in multiplying decimals by powers of 10. Let's start. When multiplying decimals by powers of 10, move the decimal point to the right as many zeros as the powers of 10. So meaning the value increases. Examples. 62.56 times 10. How many zeros are there in 10? It's only 1. So let's move the decimal point once. The answer is 625.6. Next example, 62.56 times 100. How many zeros in 100? 1, 2. There are 2 zeros. So let's move the decimal point 2 times. 1, 2. And the answer is 6,256. Another example, 62.56 times 1,000. How many zeros are there in 1,000? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 zeros. Let's move the decimal point 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And we need to add 0. And the answer is 62,560. That's it. What are you waiting for? Subscribe my YouTube channel now for more updates and videos. Bye-bye. See you. Take care always.